Our first walk will be in Miami's Chinatown, in North Miami Beach, USA. Miami Beach is a small city located in the state of Florida, in the northeast of Miami-Dade County. About 50,000 people live in it. This Miami suburb is located near Biscayne Bay, next to the campuses of Florida International University and Johnson & Wales University. Brussels is not only the capital of Belgium, but also the capital of all of Europe. Modest Brussels is the capital of Belgium, Flanders and Europe. The medieval Grand Place is truly grandiose. Buildings of the 17th century are located on it. Unforgettable walk through the cozy warm Barcelona in January. Barcelona is a city in the northeast of Spain, the capital of Catalonia. The city attracts with its mild climate and relaxed lifestyle. This warm corner with beaches and the sea, delicious food and entertainment for every taste. Thank you very much for continuing to watch the WebTV channel. Subscribe and expect new videos. Evening walk along the street of Amsterdam, an ancient city in the province of North Holland. Amsterdam is the capital of the Netherlands, famous for its complex network of canals. Narrow houses with gabled roofs and a rich artistic heritage, including the 17th century, which became the golden one in the history of this country. And we will make a trip to the sunny Canary Islands, Tenerife, Playa de las Vistas in Spain. Tenerife is the largest island in the Canary Islands archipelago. The Carnival of Santa Cruz de Tenerife brought wide popularity to the island. A large-scale colorful procession with music, dancing, and colorful costumes. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the WebTV channel and expect new videos.